Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening File Explorer right away. Press Windows plus E if you prefer a keyboard shortcut. Once the window is open, click the View tab at the top and then choose Options on the right. This opens Folder Options where you control visibility settings, and it's the first place Windows hides app data. Make sure to proceed to the View tab inside Folder Options so you can change a hidden file setting next. Now, in the Folder Options View tab, you'll change Hidden Item controls. First, tick Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives so app data becomes visible in your user folder. If you see Hide Protected Operating System Files checked, uncheck it only if you understand the risk. Windows warns because system files can be damaged. Once done, click Apply, then OK. This exposes app data under C, /users /your username, where most application settings live. Finally, navigate to C, /users /your username, and you'll see app data visible. Open it and explore local, low, and roaming. Alternatively, press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and press Enter to jump straight to the roaming folder. Make sure you use your actual username and paths, and if you still can't see app data, double-check folder options or sign in with an administrator account to confirm policies aren't blocking visibility. If problems persist, toggle settings back and retry.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.